Myself Sangeeta. This video has the story regarding our national flag. Every free nation has its own flag, a flag that describes the history and present day of the country in its colors and design. In ancient India, flag has its own significance and was being carried on chariots and elephants. It is really amazing to see the various changes that our national flag went through since its first inception. It was recognized, or you can say discovered, during our national struggle for freedom. It sailed through many changes and finally arrived at what it is today. The first national flag is said to have been hoisted on 7th August 1906 in the Parsi Bagan Square, now Green Park in Kolkata. It had three horizontal stripes of red, yellow, and green. This was an unofficial flag. The second flag was hoisted in Paris in 1907 by Madame Kama and her band of exiled revolutionaries. It was also exhibited at a social conference in Berlin, the time when our great leaders were uniting the country for the freedom struggle. A new flag was introduced with five red and four green stripes, arranged alternately with seven stars in the Saptarsi configuration. The left top of the flag had Union Jack, the national flag of United Kingdom, and at right corner there was a white crescent with a star. It was hoisted by Dr. Anne Besant and Lokmanya Tilak at the Home Rule movement. In 1921, during a session at All India Congress Committee meeting at Bejwada, now known as Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, a young man, Pingali Venkaya, designed a flag and took it into Gandhiji. It had two colors, red and green, representing the two major communities of India, Hindus and Muslims. Later, Gandhiji suggested a white stripe at the center for the remaining communities of India and the spinning wheel, which symbolizes Gandhiji's goal of making Indians self reliant. This flag was accepted, but unofficially. In May 1923, at Nagpur, thousands of people participated in a peaceful protest against British rule carrying this flag. In the year 1931, a resolution was passed adopting tricolour as our national flag. This had saffron, white, and green color with Mahatma Gandhi's spinning wheel at the center. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during the meeting of Constituent Assembly held on 22nd July 1947. The stripes remained the same, but the spinning wheel was replaced by a navy blue chakra with 24 spokes. It was found on pillars erected throughout the Mauryan Empire during the reign of Emperor Ashoka. The saffron color at top represents the strength and courage of the country. The white color represents peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green color shows fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the land. On August 16, 1947, one day after independence, flag was unfurled at Red Fort. It is the symbol of our national pride. On 26 January 2002, the Indian flag code was modified, and after several years of independence, the citizens of India were finally allowed to hoist the national flag over their homes, offices, and factories on any day and not just on national days, as was the case earlier. For convenience and to avoid disrespect, Flag Code of India 2002 has been divided into three parts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.